guys, Jumping Frog Dream Creations. I just want to let you know that we're totally past the technical difficulties. Yay! So I'm gonna be doing my unboxing. Woohoo! I got one heck of a package. My total box weighed just about 25 pounds, and I want to show you guys what I got. I ended up getting placemats that are plastic canvas. I got 4 of those, and I got lots and lots of ultra stiff plastic canvas. These are huge sheets. These are 13.6 by 22.6. They're enormous. I need a lot of plastic canvas. I need a lot of plastic canvas because I'm working on a princess project, and I'm starting to collect everything for the Dream Castle, which I'm going to be working on. I got 12 by 18 plastic canvas, and this is actually a 12 pack. I ordered 15 of these, and this is also ultra stiff. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. And those are 12 by 18s. I got more plastic canvas, and these are 10.5 by 10.5 by 13.5. Everything I work on is all 7 count plastic canvas. That was all ultra stiff, and then I got my regulars, which is the same size, 10.5 by 13.5, 7 count. This is definitely more bendy, where the ultra stiff is not. And then I got crosses. I don't know if you guys can see that real good. I'm going to open this up. Yeah, if I can. Having a hard time. But let's see. Yep. My little crosses. I ordered 30 of those. I got canvas circles right there. And these are 5.7. And then I got colored plastic canvas. This is beige, 10.5 by 13.5. More beige. More beige. More beige. Okay. Now I got some really neat colors. I got metallic. I love the metallic. It's so awesome. It's so nice and shiny. And then I also got black plastic canvas as well, 7 count. These are actually for very specific projects. That's why I ordered them. And then I also got white plastic canvas. And that's just all of it's 10.5 by 13.5. Let's see what else I got in my goodie bag. I got these were, I'm so glad these came in. This is for the princess. These are actually, they're really neat. But they're circles. But as you can see, it kind of looks like a little hat. Like that. See? Up. Sorry, the baby. Sorry about that. These are my 3-inch circles. I got a bunch of stars. All 7-inch. And I made a very big boo-boo, and I ordered 50 little tiny hearts. Mom. I think these are gonna start being a lot of ornaments. Now, more hearts. Let's see. Mom. These are These are my 4.25s. My 4 1/4 circles. If you guys are wondering why I need so many circles, with some of the projects I am doing with the Princess Castle, and I'm doing a barn, they actually are going to have, I guess you could say, little vehicles with them. And with these little vehicles, for instance, one's going to be a tractor, one's going to be a princess carriage. There's going to be a lot of different things I do. And then I got more 14.55s, and I got 50 of these. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this. And then I got more 3-inch, lots of wheels and coasters. And then, sorry, these are the kids. The baby is trying to come in the video. I have my 13-year-old right next to me laughing at the baby. And these are actually pretty cool. These are doorbell signs. I'm so sorry. The baby's trying to show you guys stuff. But these are door signs. I love these. Oh, sorry. Baby alert. So, and then I also got, sorry guys, I also got fabric, which is, I don't know if I'm actually legally allowed to say what company or what brand, but I'll show you guys. But check this out. It's really neat. These are actually 1 yards of fabric. These are actually going to be for masks. This is actually my husband's, David's, and then this one, I love these. These here is my oldest daughter's mask. In style, lots of high heel shoes. She's 16, so yep, she doesn't really care for any of the baby stuff anymore. And then I got my 13-year-old's, which is this fabric here. So that's pretty much for my unboxing, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna get a couple things set up and done. I'm going to be doing my giveaway. Woohoo! At 100, at my 100 subscribers giveaway, and I have everything all set and ready to go, and I cannot wait. Me and Charlie are gonna have a huge surprise, so you guys definitely need to stay tuned. Like those videos, subscribe to those videos, and let's keep crafting. Bye! Bye-bye!